Alloys are everywhere around us. They are used in making bridges, airplanes, jewelry, and even coins. In this lesson, we will explore what alloys are, why they are important, and how they are made. An alloy is a mixture. It usually contains one main metal, mixed with small amounts of other elements. This mixture changes the properties of the metal and makes it more useful. Pure metals are often too soft for construction or heavy use. When we mix them with other elements, the result is an alloy that is much stronger. That's why we use alloys in machines, vehicles, and tall buildings. Another reason we make alloys is to stop rust. For example, iron rusts quickly when exposed to air and water. But when iron is mixed with chromium and nickel, it becomes stainless steel, shiny and rust-proof. Sometimes we make alloys to change the appearance of metals. Alloys can look shinier, duller, or even have new colors like bronze or rose gold. This makes them perfect for jewelry and decoration. Alloys can be designed to have just the right properties. Some need to bend without breaking. Others need to stay hard and strong. This is why airplanes, coins, and car parts use different kinds of alloys. To make an alloy, metals are heated until they melt. Then they are mixed together. After cooling, the mixture forms a solid alloy. Here are some well-known alloys. Each has its own special use, based on the elements it contains. Let's take a look at each of these alloys and their constituents individually. Brass is made by mixing copper and zinc. It is used to make musical instruments, coins, and door handles. Bronze is made by mixing copper and tin. It is stronger than copper alone and does not rust easily. It is used in statues and medals. Steel is made by adding a small amount of carbon to iron. This makes it much stronger and useful for buildings and bridges. Stainless steel contains iron, chromium, and nickel. It is shiny, strong, and does not rust easily. We use it to make cutlery and cooking pots. This table shows how pure metals and alloys compare. As you can see, alloys are generally stronger and more resistant to rust. Let's now check your understanding of the topic alloys. We'll begin with 3 multiple-choice questions. Question 1. What is an alloy? Option A. A pure metal. Option B. A mixture of metals or metals and other elements. Option C. A type of plastic. Question 2. Which of the following is used to make bronze? Option A. Iron and carbon. Option B. Copper and tin. Option C. Copper and zinc. Question 3. Which property is common to most alloys? Option A. They are all magnetic. Option B. They are weaker than pure metals. Option C. They are usually stronger than pure metals. Now, let's move to short answer questions. Question 4. Name 2 reasons why alloys are made. Question 5. State the elements used to make brass. Question 6. Give 1 reason why stainless steel is useful in kitchens. Question 7. Briefly describe how alloys are made. Well done. You've completed the evaluation. Let's check your answers next. Let's review what we've learned. Alloys are mixtures made to improve the properties of metals. They are strong, useful, and found all around us. Thanks for watching. To deepen your understanding of any topic, explore our comprehensive resources, including revision notes, past questions, gamified quizzes, and workbooks. These tools are designed to help you master the concept effectively and enjoyably.